The second thing we talked about in this lesson was solve an equation with a no solution. So every now and then when you're solving for x, you'll get sort of a weird situation where the variable goes away. It gets knocked out. And so those would be what we call no solution problems. We've looked at these before where you have no solution or all real numbers. In this situation, no solution means that the line that would be drawn would be a completely vertical line, a line that would be going up and down. So let's take a look at this. On number 2 right here, if we started solving for x, we would add 2x over to the other side. And then negative 2x plus 2x is just 0. So there's no variable anymore. It's not 1x, it's not 0x, there's nothing. There's just nothing left over. So what you do is you take the two numbers that are left over, 1 equals 5, and see if they're equal, which obviously they're not. So then the answer is just no solution. What that means is if we were to graph this on a graph, that line would be a completely vertical line. There's no slope at all. It doesn't mean there's zero slope because that's a real thing. Remember, horizontal lines are zero slope, but vertical lines don't have a slope, which is exactly what we want. We don't want our walls of our house having a slope. We want them to be completely straight up and down. So no solution problems is what that looks like. Let's take a look at number 5 real quick. On number 5, same thing. If I want to get all my variables together, I subtract 5x over. And then 5x minus 5x is 0. So take what's left over, well, negative 1, and on the other side, or on the right side, it's just 0. So does negative 1 equal 0? Well, obviously not. So again, that's a no solution problem. All right, next we'll take a look at see what this looks like using word problems.